So ngayon is June 12, Philippine Independence Day. Pupunta tayo sa... Saan tayo punta? Where are we going?
Dolphinarium.
Dolphinarium. Dolphinarium. Kasi may promo daw sila para sa mga, sa mga kabayan doon. So, let's check it out. Let's go! So, andito na tayo sa Dubai Children's City. At pupunta tayo sa Dolphinarium. Yan na siya, nasa harap na natin. Yes, sir! Are you excited? Yeah?
I'm excited!
So medyo maaga tayo dumating, 1 hour before the show. Kasi first come first serve lang siya. Hindi ka pwede mag-book. Pero yan, let's see. Mamaya pwede daw pumunta dun sa park. So dito muna tayo. Maaga tayo pumunta, which is I think better. So pagpasok pala meron siyang bayad na 5 dirhams per person. Hindi ko alam kung para saan yun. Pasok na tayo sa Dolphin Aquarium. Let's go! Bumili tayo ng ticket. Medyo nakatipid tayo kasi Independence Day nga. So, original ticket niya is 110. Tapos sa bata is 60. So, nakuha namin siya ng 69 dirhams per adult and 49 para sa kids. So, laking bagay na rin. Siyempre, pambili na rin ng ng McDo. Pagpasok nyo, pagbili nyo ng ticket, marami rin silang mga areas or attraction. Merong 5D cinema na 5 minutes lang, and merong bird show and gown. So ito, meron din siyang food court sa loob. Obviously, medyo mahal siya. Ayun nga, maaga tayo dumating. Medyo nagtitipid tayo. Kain muna tayo. Sarili kaming baon para hindi nagagastos. Yes, sir. So, dito na tayo sa loob. Waiting na lang. Medyo maganda yung spot natin. Ayun. Ito kami sa medyo malayo pumesto para maganda sa view. Kita mo yung buong pool, pero hindi ka mababasa. Wala kasi kaming pamalit. You ready? Yahoo! So, ayun, okay naman. Masaya naman. Happy naman. Are you happy? Wala akong pake. Enjoy naman. So, ngayon, pupunta naman kami sa, bird encounter. Let's go.
Hi guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Creek Park Bird Show. Ay!
Nagmamaoy.
After ng Dolphin show, nandito naman kami sa bird show. Kasi, ano ba, 30% discount.
You will talk about my magic. Yes, DJ?
Yeah.
I wanted to catch the money like this. Raise your hand straight, come on. But the money not by power, softly. Yeah? Yeah, let me help you with this. Yeah, like this. And your hand straight. Alibaba will come and walk your hand. He's a small bird from the Sartorius family. He's a magician. He will say, hi, Moon. You know, I like Philippines. I want to visit this country. But I will fly. Never come back. Khalas.
It's now in video.
Alhamdulillah. Good dirhams.
No, we have to give the money back, bro.
Why?
Ask them.
How many of you want me to bring the money back for Moon? Raise your hands up. Who want me to bring the money back? Come and pay him. Come, 10 dirhams. Yeah? No, Moon, open your hand. You give me 10 dirhams. How much you want in return to give you like a big surprise? 11 what?
1,000.
1,000 dirhams? Salam alaikum everybody. I finished my job in this company. What is this? Moon, when I start the show, I said my name is Firas, not the financial center, yeah? 1,000, man. Open your hand. He will put something, close your mouth. Yeah, Alibaba. Close your mouth.
Hey, bro. Maybe 1,000 is there.
Yeah, inside, you mean?
Yes.
It's a gift voucher number 7.
That is the lucky number for today.
Maybe 1,000, maybe. Woohoo!
What it says?
It says, thank you so much for your donation. Khalas Naki.
Shukran.
Yeah.
No.
You have more?
Yeah.
Open your hand. Moon, where are you going? Come. No. He will put the 10 dirhams, close your mouth. Yalla, Alibaba.
Come on, be a good example to the kids.
Yeah, close your mouth, Moon. Take your money
And run for Philippines.
and run to Philippines. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Did anyone
So yan na mga kaibigan, no? Tapos na yung panonood namin ng Dolphin show at ng bird show. Anong masasabi mo? Okay.
Magandang experience.
Meron pa silang camel ride pala nun. Camel.
So meron pa sanang ipupuntahan yung mirror maze pero hindi na kami nagpunta dahil
Kasi mukhang maliit lang.
tsaka
mukhang
hindi naman siya
worth it.
Punta na lang kami ng Children's City.
Yes!